We're going to talk about pumps. Pumps can be pretty tricky, and you need to pay attention and really understand what type of a pump that you have. We recommend going to your local stores. Kenyon Noble, Murdoch's, Ace Hardware are all great resources to buy pumps, and we'll talk about a couple of the different types of pumps later. And just really understand what type of a pump are you getting. Does the pump have a float switch on it and it can manage itself if the water goes down and it won't burn out the pump? Or does the pump not have any type of a switch and you need to be there to make sure that it's constantly getting water inside of it? And we can take a look at those different pumps and help you understand. So going to Murdoch's, Ace, or Kenyon Noble, they have some knowledgeable staff there, and then we'll also show you a couple of the different types of hose systems and the way you can hook it up. The City of Bozeman does not want you dumping groundwater into your sanitary sewer system, so do not hook it up into your plumbing discharge lines. It's not an acceptable practice in the City of Bozeman or any town. The municipal water systems aren't made to handle that type of water. But a safe place to put it is out into the street and into the storm drains, so it is taken care of just like rainwater. And please do not pump it into your neighbor's yard, because they don't want to have the same problems if they're not experiencing them already. So be cognizant of where you're putting your water, and also make sure that we're not pumping it directly into streams or anything like that, because we all like to take care of our beautiful streams and rivers here in Montana for recreation. We'll go over pumps next.